They say nothing brings people together like good food, and I entirely agree. What is your favorite food? Pasta, beef, bread? Maybe none, maybe all. But have you ever thought about how these hunger-quenching delicacies are processed? If you don't, worry less. It will show you insane food factory machines that you must see. And believe me, you will be shocked. Watch to the end and leave twice as informed as you were before watching. But before we begin, kindly show us some love by subscribing to our channel for more of our informative content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification below for on-time updates of our new uploads. Let's get it on. Number 1. Egg Breaker Ovo Tech. You must be aware of how silly the task of breaking eggs and separating yolks from whites is. Probably you wonder how they do it in big factories. Do employees join hands to execute this daunting task? Well, that's not the case. Credit goes to the Egg Breaker machine. This machine can wash, disinfect, and break 25,600 eggs in an hour. Yes, you just heard it right. 25,600 eggs in 60 minutes. That's a bit dumbfounding, isn't it? The Egg Breaker imitates human hands' work by breaking the eggs with the use of special knives. Broken eggs go through a special buffer and quality controller, where damaged ones are removed. On the next step, the eggs go through a separator, where egg whites are separated from yolks. This hygienic egg-breaking method renders more than 60 people jobless per hour, meaning what it does equals what 60 people would do in an hour. Number 2. Tech Store High-Speed Bacon Slicing Line. Even thinking about bacon makes you hungry, right? It's one of the most mouth-watering bites in the world. But to be honest, it's not so easy to make bacon with an amazing shape. Creating thin bacon, which its distinctive feature, can be difficult and time-consuming. So here's another brand to save the day. The latest machine continues with the Tech Store design philosophy of smart and easy, focusing on operational simplicity, security, and hygienic requirements with minimum maintenance. It's fitted with a performance blade and blade head, designed to meet the challenges of slicing bacon. It's intended to make up to 1,500 cuts per minute. The machine's proactive scanning system is integrated into the slicer rather than a separate module, reducing overall line length. An integrated vision system provides high-definition optical measurements at high transport speeds. The machine also features the Tech Store Positively Driven portioning system, ensuring secure stacking and transfer of frozen and tempered bacon products. Number 3. Bread Cutting Machine. This heart-thumping invention of the 21st century was brought to life by the smart brains at DESC. This intelligent machine, doctored by the use of stainless steel, is movable on wheels, cuts without oil, and therefore the cleaning of the device is very easy and hygienic. Cutting width can be set manually. Loaves of bread are cut into slices of their set slice thickness. It features an automatic disc holder, circular knife machine, easy operation, and cleaning. Compact bread cutting machine requires little space and is easy to maintain. This machine was first unveiled in 2006, and since then, the results have been outstanding. Its cutting width can be manually adjusted from 3mm to 15mm, making it quite an amazing revolutionary. Number 4. Unifiller Cake Finishing Equipment. I'm very much sure that many of you always wonder how your favorite cake in the market is made, and with the same taste every time you have a bite. Well, this is not going to trouble you anymore. With Cake Finishing Machine, it's easy to create the same delicious cake for you all the time. Practically, it is nearly impossible to make the exact cake without a mistake if it's done manually because of errors and miscalculations. Still, technology never fails to succeed, or at least in ensuring your food is not messed up during preparation. Number 5. Handman PVLH241 Sausage Making Machine. With this machine, it's much easier to make both cooked sausage or dried ones like mini salami. Of course, sausages or salami don't come in shapes you're familiar with. It requires a series of processes to end up with the form you so admire. With this machine, meat is fed with the top of the moving grinder, then a rotating corkscrew auger advances the meat toward the blades. Both manual and electric meat grinders can stuff sausages to a certain extent using a stuffing tube. Grinder plates are circular discs made of metal and look like a honeycomb. The accuracy in which this machine grinds and shapes the sausages is totally out of this world. I don't even want to imagine how they would look if they were made by bare hands. Number 6. Julie's organic ice cream production. Nothing tastes sweeter on a hot day as it does on a cold one like ice cream. It's always refreshing and pleasing to eat a tasty ice cream, but have you ever wondered how they are made? Surprisingly, it's not difficult to make ice creams using this machine. Julie's ice cream production machine sorts you with tasty ice cream just in a little while. It produces flavors including classic vanilla, blackberries and cream, milk chocolate, and even sea salt caramel. Number 7. Chocolate covering and tempering machine. Like ice cream, chocolate is another widely consumed product. Raw chocolate is used to make truffles, candy, and chocolate embellishments. When not tempered right, the chocolate can dry to a dull color, taste chalky, and feel grainy on the tongue. Chocolate tempering machines solve these problems by an automated process that causes the molecular crystals of the chocolate to conform to a specific uniform structure. By heating the chocolate to a precise temperature, then enters a cycle of cooling and reheating, all the while continuing to stir and mix. The heating, cooling, mixing induces the proper molecular shapes to form. The temperatures are different for various kinds of chocolate like semi-sweet, milk, or white chocolate. Number 8. Pizza making robot. We all love pizza, don't we? Despite its simple exterior, this machine can assemble more than 300 pizza pies per hour. That's way faster than most restaurants can make the dough, bake, and serve pizzas. That speed comes in handy in places receiving lots of orders, such as stadia or large restaurants. The robot is highly customizable and comprises a series of modules that dole out whatever toppings you want in whichever order you choose. Once an order for a pizza has been made, it registers a digital cue on the platform. The pizza robot has a vision system that allows it to make adjustments if the pie is slightly off-center. It's also hooked up to the internet and sends back signals to the operator on every single step during the baking process. Number 9. Weber Slicer 804. Weber Slicer 804 is among the most efficient food processing systems today. This involute blade system can produce up to 1,700 millimeters of length at a maximum speed of 2,000 slices per minute of cuttable food. The automatic central operation ensures quick production changes. It uses a blade head with an ideal cut function, which positions slice thicknesses between 0.1 millimeters and 50 millimeters precisely in various presentation forms. The 380 millimeter wide and 180 millimeter high product throat permits several sizes to be processed simultaneously. This system includes a program-controlled, automatically configurable product clearance height and width. Weber Hygiene Design ensures that the system is easy to clean up. Number 10. Pinebar. While many people love pineapples, peeling and cutting it poses quite a problem for many. With the Pinebar, things are a bit easier. Push of a button, a pineapple is peeled and cut into pieces in just 10 seconds. It's like a vending machine with a viewing window through which the whole process is observed. Additionally, this fully automatic machine operates very quietly with little distraction. Older versions of pineapple peeling and cutting machines are mostly semi-automatic, requiring a bit of manual input. But Pinebar is fully automatic, requiring just a push of the button to peel, cut, and even take away the center core of the fruit. To add icing on the cake, the Pinebar is very hygienic.
Simple as that. Perfect peeled and cored pineapple.
Did you enjoy our video? Which factory machine impresses the most and why? Well, if you enjoyed our video, be sure to click on the subscribe button for more of our amazing content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.